This is Matabeleland Broadcasting Corporation. Inspired, inspired.
It is now very, very clear that there is a deliberate, sustained, and systematic effort not only to undermine, but to humiliate the people of Matabeleland. Firstly, the holiest shrine in this region, Njelele Shrine, has on several occasions been desecrated and attacked. Then there is the Bhalagwe issue. In Bhalagwe, there's been a memorial stone placed as an epitaph to remember the victims of the Mqabuko genocide. On several occasions, that stone has been stolen. And lastly, early this year, that stone was blasted into smithereens used by explosives or some explosive device. Today here, our iconic and cultural symbol of the shield, a shield that was protection against colonialism and oppression, has been removed from here. And one wonders why. All this we consider an offense. Joshua Nkomo comes from this part of the world, in Matabeleland. Although his remains are interred in Harare at the Heroes Acres, one wonders what he is thinking of today. One wonders if his remains are not turning in the grave. It is sad, it is very sad what has happened here. For whatever reason, this is unacceptable. We won't be surprised that one day we'll wake up to news that Joshua Nkomo's grave at the Heroes Acres has also been desecrated.
This is Matabeleland Broadcasting Corporation. Inspired, inspired.